How to clear browsing history on Temu app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can clear the browsing history on the Temu app. For this, you want to open the Temu app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install the app. Then make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged in order to check your browsing history, tap on the U option. Then you have the browsing history tab. If you tap on it, you're going to find all the list of your browsing history. Now, if you want to delete any one of that, you simply want to tap on these three dots, then tap on the delete option. As you can see, it has been deleted from your list. Now, there is no way to delete all of the browsing history all at once, so you will have to follow this manual step and tap on the delete option. However, if there is a lot of history and you do not want to delete it one by one manually, then the next thing you can do is open up your settings, then scroll down and tap on apps. Now select Temu from this list. Tap on storage, then you want to tap on clear cache and now tap on clear data, tap on delete. As you can see, all the data of your Temu app has been cleared. So now you can open the app and log into your account, and these are two ways on how you can clear the browsing history. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.